What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing these bad boys right here. These are the OnePlus Buds, a brand spanking new pair of truly wireless earbuds from none other than OnePlus themselves that'll run you back only $79 before taxes. So without further ado, let's get to getting these bad boys out of the box, baby. Here we go. Warenotice, 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 Warenotice. I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, 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 Warenotice. Making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with the OnePlus Buds box. As you can see here on the front of the box, it says OnePlus Buds. It says white because obviously in this picture of them, that is the color of these earbuds that we have right here. We've got the OnePlus logo right here, and over here on the side it talks about some different features of these earbuds. For example, it says easy to use, sound quality, environmental noise cancellation, and 30 hours endurance with warp charge. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's open up this cute little box and try out these earbuds. So we can just peel the shrink wrap right off this guy just like this. And boom, now here is the box. Now let's open it up. And to open it up, all we have to do is just pull the top off of the bottom and boom, there it is right there. And wow, look at that. It's cool. It's red and white. The top of the box right here, we can put this to the side. And now here are the OnePlus Buds. Let's just, ooh, there they are. I wanted to take the plastic off first, so let's do that really quickly. Plastic, come off. And voila, now let's open up this little eggshell type case, and voila, here are the OnePlus Buds. They sort of look quite a bit like Apple's own AirPods. Do you guys see these similarities in the design? The only difference is like this area right here, this circle on the outer area of the earbuds. But if you just look at them from this angle like this, those really do look like AirPods. So anyway, let's put this to the side for a second and see what else is in the box. We can pull this up right here, and it says set your music free right there. So let's do just that and get that out of the box. Anyway, here we go. We can just pull this up just like that. And now let's see, we can pop this box within a box open, and we can read more about the OnePlus Buds. We've got some paperwork right here for them, and we've also got a little charging cable right here. It is a USB-C to standard USB cable. It is very short, by the way, and I think this is kind of cool. Its cable is red, but then the actual plugs on the ends, those are white, and there's a little cute little OnePlus logo right there on it, and yeah. Anyway, it says enjoy your new buds right here inside the box. And now that we've seen what comes in the box, let's take a closer look at the buds themselves, baby. So over here, guys, on the back of the carrying case, it says designed by OnePlus. We can open it up once more and take out both of the earbuds. These earbuds definitely have a funky shape to them right there with that little area poking out of the back. Otherwise, they would look very, very similar to AirPods, as we've already said. That's really the only difference. But this little circular area right here, that touchpad, you can actually tap it to control your music. It's where the touch controls are located on these headphones. We'll talk more about that later. Anyway, let's put them inside my ears. And okay, how do I look? Do I look like I'm wearing AirPods, or do I look like I'm wearing OnePlus Buds? Anyway, yeah, now that they're in my ears, let's get them connected to my iPhone and listen to some music on them. Woo! And just like that, folks, now I have the OnePlus Buds all nice and connected to my iPhone 11 Pro Max right here, and I've actually been listening to a couple different songs on them just to get some nice first impressions of the headphones to share with you guys. So first of all, let's talk about audio quality. Folks, I'm definitely pleased by the audio quality on these headphones, especially when you consider the price tag of, once again, $79. Like, that is really cheap for truly wireless earbuds, and I actually think they sound pretty great, especially for that price, and especially at a louder volume too. Like, I was definitely jamming along to some songs. So yeah, I'll give a thumbs up for that audio quality at this given price point. But one complaint I do have so far is the touch controls on these headphones. Not that they don't work or anything. Basically on, again, that circular area on either earbud, you can double tap to use the one touch control. But the problem is if you don't have a OnePlus smartphone, so for example, I'm using these headphones with my iPhone right now, you can't customize what that double tap will do. And right now, right out of the box, all you can do is double tap on either headphone to just skip to the next track. So if you have a OnePlus phone, for example, you'd be able to customize it to maybe, let's say, double tap on either earbud to pause or play your music or something like that, which I feel like would be more helpful, but there's just no way to change that if you have, for example, an iPhone here, which definitely stinks. Personally, in my opinion, I feel like OnePlus should add a single tap gesture built in for pausing and playing the music instead of just only having that double tap gesture that you have to customize only with a OnePlus device, because then that really limits the functionality of the touch controls. And yeah, guys, besides that double tap touch control, apparently you can press that touchpad on either earbud for 3 seconds to switch between devices, and you can press that for 5 seconds to answer a phone call. Again, I think that's a little weird to have to hold 5 seconds just to answer a phone call. Might be easier if you could just tap it once to answer, but yeah. And anyway, folks, now moving forward, now that we've discussed my first impression so far of the OnePlus Buds, let's carry on that Warenotice tradition of me singing along to a song every time I unbox a new pair of headphones. Today, in this video, we're going to be singing along to Life is Good by Future featuring Drake. So, folks, here we go. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. They swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. They caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Manor House in Rosewood, this stuff too plush. You say my days are numbered, but I keep waking up. No, you see my text, baby, please say something. Why I'm by the Glacier Man at Cheapskate, huh? They gotta move up my release date, huh? Boy, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell her anything. It is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FEG, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips, giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb stuff. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. They swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. And yeah, folks, there I was once again singing along to Life is Good featuring Drake by Future. And one more thing that I have noticed about these earbuds as I continue to film this video, if you couldn't tell, is they're kind of falling out of my ears. They don't fit in my ears very well, unfortunately. So watch, maybe if I shake my head a little bit, they've fallen out a couple times, and yeah, there it did on camera right there, fall out once more. So yeah, that definitely kind of stinks. Because of the AirPod-like form factor of these earbuds, they don't have interchangeable ear tips, so you can't put a better fitting ear tip on them, unfortunately. But yeah, guys, anyway, with that, now we have covered the OnePlus Buds in this nice, quick, easy unboxing video of them. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you think of these headphones. Would you get them for yourselves? Do you think they're worth the $79? All that stuff. Because, guys, I do read all the comments, by the way, so I'm definitely excited to hear what you guys think about these headphones down there. So definitely let me know. And yeah, anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the OnePlus Buds, baby. Bye.